Your search for the perfect 4-season ultralight stove stops here. The ultralight Optimus Vega is the best 4-season remote canister stove on the market. Weighing only 6 ounces or 178 grams, it's one of the lightest and most compact remote canister stoves available. The Vega's unique wide burner head design creates an ultra-powerful cooking surface, spreading the heat evenly to your pot while preventing the burning of your food. The low-profile stance makes it extremely sturdy, accommodating a wide variety of cook sets. The Vega includes an adjustable size windscreen, which makes cooking in challenging conditions a breeze. Perfect for year-round use, the Vega is built to perform when other canister stoves won't. For ultimate performance in winter or cold weather, simply fold open the canister stand legs and invert the fuel canister after the stove has been lit. This not only allows the Vega to be used in cold conditions, it also provides a turbo boost whenever a hotter flame and faster cooking is necessary. For additional cold weather performance, the optional Optimus heat pouch is an excellent way to keep your food warm longer, as well as protecting your hands and fingers any time of the year. When you're done cooking, the Vega easily folds up, more compact than other stoves, fitting neatly into your pack until you're ready for your next gourmet masterpiece.
Hey there, campers! We'd like to introduce you to the latest member of the Crua Culla range, the Culla family. The Culla family is just like our other groundbreaking, temperature-regulating inner Culla tents, but it's made with you and your family in mind. It sleeps 5 people comfortably, and the airframe beams not only make it super easy to set up, but it also means it's independent, so it can be used inside our Crua Core or any other 5-person tent. The Culla family is the ideal inner tent to keep you and your family at the perfect temperature, always. And the insulation has the added benefit of dampening the outside sounds and blocking out the light, so the entire family can sleep easy. Crua Culla's range is all about comfort and convenience, and the Culla family is no exception. We know the airframe makes it a breeze, but you also have a hook to hang your light, vents to keep the air in your tent fresh, and pockets for your valuables. All of this so that you and your family can have the best night's sleep in the outdoors. So if you're looking for the most comfortable family sleeping experience, look no further than Culla Family by Crua Outdoors. Get yours today at cruaoutdoors.com.
The Katadyn 3-liter BeFree filtration system features technology from our award-winning BeFree 0.6 liter. With additional volume to make accessible drinking water on long backpacking missions or for cooking around camp a breeze. Packed with features, the Katadyn 3-liter BeFree flask delivers Smash Stash and Go water filter for extended outdoor activities. Water purification has never been this simple or compact. The BeFree filter uses Katadyn Easy Clean filter technology to remove protozoa and bacteria even in the most challenging water conditions. The BeFree filter is designed to last longer than other filters without the hassle of backflushing or carrying clumsy tools. It is the only microfilter that cleans easily with a shake or a swish through your water source to remove dirt and debris. The V-shape provides faster flow when pouring. The bail handle is designed to be submerged for easy filling in a lake or stream. The carry handle makes filling simple and is the perfect method of carrying water from the creek, stream, or lake back to camp. Graduation marks on the 3-liter BeFree flask will make your measurements precise. Free flow channels provide sophisticated clean drinking water at a rate of 2 liters per minute with a simple squeeze. 2 hanging holes near the handle can attach to carabiners, ropes, or straps for carrying and hanging the Katadyn 3-liter BeFree flask. Its compact design and small storage footprint means it will easily fit in your backpack, camping kit, or hydration bladder compartment. Smash, Stash, and Go with the Katadyn 3-liter BeFree flask for every adventure.
The Icemule Pro is made from an extra tough, heavy-duty 1000 denier tarpaulin that will stand up to the most punishing conditions. Icemules are not sewn together. They're welded to ensure that they are completely waterproof. Icemule Pros employ padded backpack straps, ventilated back pads, and a sternum strap to help optimize weight distribution, making them the most portable, high-capacity coolers made. The Icemule air valve is a unique feature found only on the Icemule. The air valve allows you to add air to actually enhance insulation. And Icemule has no zippers. Instead, it uses a traditional roll-top design to ensure easy access to the cooler. Icemule Coolers, portability of a backpack.
This is the Freescape Camp Kitchen Kit. It contains the Freescape Camp Kitchen Knife and the Freescape Paring Knife. Access the knives inside by unlocking the kit's 3-stop locking system. The knives are kept in place in the drawer using magnets. It contains a built-in ceramic sharpener, and the handle makes it easy to carry. The container doubles as a cutting board, and its drip channel makes it easy to work with and clean. There's additional storage in the drawer that can be used for antibacterial wipes or a towel. Its bright green Freescape color makes the kit easy to spot in a gear bag. Elevate your campsite. This is the Freescape Camp Kitchen Kit.
This is the Puffle 55. The Puffle 55 is our 55-degree adventure blanket. It's a really lightweight blanket that weighs in at just 19 ounces. It's made of our 3D Puffle synthetic insulation, so getting it wet is no problem. What's great about the Puffle 55 is that it has our top and bottom draft collars. Now that's important because you can use this as a top quilt or an underquilt, and that's going to help seal out the cold. You can also stack the Puffle 55 with our Puffle 40 using our lengthwise snaps. Now what that's going to do is it's going to allow you to get down into the 30s comfortably. I also really love the mountain symbol that we were able to stitch in to the Puffle 55. Just a little added bonus of coolness. We also have our hidden pocket so you can put your keys or your phone. We have some really amazing colors that you're gonna love, and they're gonna match your Ninox hammock. They're unique to the Puffle 55, so be sure and check those out. But hurry, they won't last long.
This is the Schrade Skax 10 Portable Camp Hatchet. At only 11 inches in length and a weight of 1.4 pounds, the Skax 10 Camp Hatchet is a perfect choice for those looking for a rugged, lightweight, versatile chopping tool for any outdoor adventure. The head and handle are forged from a solid piece of 3CR13 stainless steel, polished to a shaving sharp 3.6-inch stainless steel edge that is both tough and easy to hone in the field. The balance of the hatchet is coated with a handsome powder finish that further protects the tool. An oversized hammer end inhabits the backside of the head and makes short work of crushing, breaking, and pounding tasks, while the pronounced flare of the head from the edge to the hammer makes short work of splitting kindling in the backcountry. The full tang handle is coated in tough, shock-absorbing TPE that is formed to match the dynamics of the human hand and provide comfort and sure grip in any weather condition. A braided nylon lanyard adds further safety and control. Transport the hatchet on your belt using its low-profile, lightweight thermoplastic belt sheath that snaps securely closed over the tool's head. The tool's lightweight and low-snag sheath design make it easy to drop in a pack, carry in a bug-out bag, or safely store in your home or vehicle. Rugged, packable, powerful, crafted from premium materials and built for a lifetime. This is the Schrade Skax 10 Camp Hatchet.